In the city of Peshawar, Pakistan, there's an institution that's doing something pretty special. It's mixing public service with some serious market-driven thinking. So today, we're going to dive into the Institute of Management Sciences, or IMSs, and figure out what makes it such a vital part of that region's future. All right, here's our game plan. First up, we'll get the basics down. What exactly is this place? Then we're going to peek inside its academic structure, see what kind of degrees they offer, and then explore how they're pushing things way beyond the classroom. And we'll wrap it all up by looking at its official credentials and the mission that really drives everything they do. Okay, let's jump right into this first part and really get a feel for the core identity of this institution. So what exactly is IMSciences? Well, on paper, it's a government-owned public institution. But here's the key twist. It's autonomous. Now, what does that actually mean? It means they have the freedom to design their own courses and run their own ship, which gives them this incredible mix of public responsibility and academic flexibility. You know, its history really tells a story of some fast and ambitious growth. It started back in 1995, basically as a spinoff from the University of Peshawar, but then just 10 years later, boom, it gets the power to grant its own degrees. And get this, only 6 years after that, it was already ranked as the 7th best business school in the entire country. That's a seriously impressive climb. And its impact today? It's huge! We're talking over 5,000 students. So, IMSciences isn't just a college. It's a massive hub for talent and progress in the whole region. Okay, so when you're that big, how do you actually organize everything to serve all those students? Let's take a look at the academic pillars holding it all up. Everything is built around 4 core faculties. You've got management sciences, which is right there in the name, of course. Then there are strong programs in computer science and IT. But what I find really interesting is the liberal arts faculty. You know, that mix of tech, business, and humanities feels really intentional. It's like they're trying to build well-rounded people, not just specialists in one thing. So, with those 4 faculties as the foundation, what can you actually go there to study? Well, the range of degrees is pretty amazing, stretching all the way from super technical stuff to fields that are deeply human. Just look at this list. The diversity is incredible. It's obviously not just a business school or a tech school. You've got cutting-edge fields like data science sitting right next to really crucial public-focused areas like health service management and policy. It really seems like an institution that's trying to gear up to solve a whole bunch of society's biggest challenges. But here's the thing. IMSciences is about so much more than just what goes on in a lecture hall. They are heavily invested in taking all that knowledge and putting it straight to work in the real world. Yeah, a huge part of the spirit at IMSciences is all about entrepreneurship. The whole idea is to take what you learn in class and use it to build something totally new, whether that's a tech startup or a project with a social mission. And this isn't just lip service. They back it up with 2 full-on business incubation centers. One of them, IMSciences, is actually a partnership with the local IT board, which creates this powerful little ecosystem for launching new companies. And these centers aren't just for students. They're there to give the whole local economy a boost. This innovative way of thinking doesn't just stop at the city limits either. It goes global, especially when you look at their postgraduate programs. A fantastic example is this split-site PhD program they have with the University of Southampton over in the UK. I mean, what an amazing opportunity for doctoral students, right? They get to do their research and gain experience in 2 completely different academic worlds. Okay, so what's the foundation for all of this cool stuff they're doing? Let's look at the official side of things, the recognition and the mission that guides the whole institution. This right here confirms that they're on solid ground. They have a charter directly from the regional government, and they're fully recognized by Pakistan's Higher Education Commission. That's the bedrock, the thing that ensures their degrees are respected, not just in Pakistan, but around the world. And that official standing translates into real-world excellence. I mean, that number 7 ranking for business schools, that's what really put them on the map and cemented their reputation as a top-tier institution pretty early on. And really, it all comes together in their official motto, management education with public spirit and market dynamicism. That phrase just perfectly captures the institution's DNA, doesn't it? It's about serving the community, for sure, but with a sharp, practical focus on what the world actually needs. It's such a powerful guiding light. So this all leaves us with a final thing to think about. By mashing up public service with market smarts, IMSciences has created a really unique model for higher education. And it kind of makes you wonder, is that the secret sauce? Is this dual focus the key to creating institutions that don't just teach, but actually go out and build a better future for their communities?